Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you sick of the heat like I am? I have something that's going to cool you down. This beautiful tower fan from Abolee is perfect for hot summer nights when you just want to get a break from the heat. I love that this fan is portable. I originally got it for my son's room, but I love that I can take it into the living room or the kitchen when I'm cooking or my office while I'm working. It keeps me cool and comfortable no matter where I am. It's lightweight with a built-in handle so it goes anywhere you want it to go with ease. Because my dear son has a tough time sleeping, I thought the noise from the fan would help him sleep better, and it does. The tower fan has a sleep mode with an automatic timer and display screen shutdown. It drowns out all the other sounds that we make in the house, and the light on the display screen won't keep him up. He sleeps soundly even when his sister has a sleepover, and I love the automatic shut-off so that you're not wasting any additional power. The remote is easy to use and understand, and it has a little cubby on the top of the tower fan where it fits snugly. You can choose from 4 speeds and whether to have it oscillate or stand still. I also like that it's made out of a durable material and it has a sturdy bottom, so I don't have to worry about my kids or pets knocking it over and it breaking. So if you're looking for a nice fan to keep you cool during this summer heat, then you've found it. But that's just my point of view.